Hi everyone. Well, after months and months of renovation in this cottage, I think it's about time I won back my garden. Well, there was once a pathway through here. This year, I'm not going to let this garden get the better of me. Yeah, it's time to start the battle with the brambles. Through there is a pathway and it runs down through the dell. You know, it's not just about keeping on top of the garden, you know, and looking at this. Every time I look out the cottage window, this is the first thing I see. And yeah, it needs tackling. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start attacking this area, reinstating all the pathways through. So when spring comes, I've got the head start and we can really start developing this area once again. Very important to make sure your gardening equipment is in good shape, nice and sharp and clean. Now, believe it or not, underneath all this is a granite stone pathway. Now, I do have a petrol powered strimmer, brush cutter, but you have to be mindful of the neighbours. It's Sunday, you know, you don't want to spoil their quality of time in their garden. So there's a time and a place for the petrol. At the moment, I just want to cut back, get the path, and when it's appropriate, I'll use the strimmer. Okay, we may have to attack that from the other side. That's going to be easier said than done. Now this is one of 4 pathways into the dell. Let's try the other one. You know, when you're doing your renovations, months can flick by. Admittedly, it has been winter, so not spent so much time outside, but as soon as it stops raining, you know, just come outside, listen to the birds, get some fresh air. I think we all need it this time of year. Okay, quite a few limbs down in the storm. This is the other pathway. No time to sit down. Boy, the brambles have took a hold. And also that bamboo. Now that was the worst thing I ever planted in this garden. Try to remove that completely this year. There was one through here and I did cut this back last year. There's a pathway up to the top there. There's the one that we've been walking along here. And then that was the other one. That runs alongside what used to be the pig barn. The only thing that can be said about these overgrown areas, it's great for wildlife. No, I forgot about this stone. This is an interesting find. Take a look at this. Now this really is an interesting piece. Now I found this here. And I stood it up several years ago. Everything's overgrown and I forgot all about it. I think it's come from inside a building. It's probably something to do with the corbels that cantilever stone or timber from the walls. Yeah, and it's just sitting in the garden there, and when I just found it once again, I thought that's too good to be outside. Now I don't know how or what I'm going to do with it, but I think cleaned up, maybe put back inside the cottage. Not sure which one it come from. It may well have been from the house that I'm living in. It had its ancient chimney removed Could be from that. I think it is. Trouble with the brambles, the tips grow, touch the ground and then root again. That's how they kind of walk around your garden. Well, we're nearly through with one pathway. Yes, Mr. Robin's up there watching me. That looks and feels a lot better already. Clearly see the path down into it now. Yeah, the pond, although it's just a wildlife pond, we don't keep fish in there. That's still going to need a tidy up. So one of the main purposes, apart from the wildlife, was to build this pond as a natural pond. It takes all the excess rainwater, storm floods, you name it. It fills up. It's designed to overflow and it goes down into the dell, and there's another reservoir there that holds quite some volume of water. And when you consider some of the storms that we've had, all of the rain from all these roofs, the back of the property, the hill behind, it all comes this way. Admittedly it goes further down into the valley. The more I look at these two willows, the more I'm thinking, if I trim them up, they're going to grow back again. This peach tree is, you know, the tree that I want to preserve most, obviously for its fruit. So what I'm going to do, a little bit drastic, cut it right off down here. It's hard work, but it's kind of that kind of work that you don't mind. It's instant. Sometimes you do these renovations and it takes months and months before you see the fruits of your labour. With this, instant gratification. I can smell some cooking. Time to investigate. What can I smell cooking, ladies?
Aha. Well, you've got toad in the hole for lunch, sure.
Delicious.
It's my mum's recipe.
Look forward to trying it. Is that apples we're peeling?
Yes, it has apple in it. And onion. And sage.
Wow, look at these. These look different.
So they're 8 pork sausages. They are high welfare, free range pork from a special butcher. The recipe will be in the description of my video.
Tell everyone.
Sam's French Antiques.
Okay, link will be in my description. So don't forget to check out Sam's channel. She does some amazing recipes on there. As you know, all tried and tested by myself. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. Time for that hedge trimmer. I think what I'll do going forward is do one day a week where I dedicate it to all the duties in the garden, the maintenance, the creating patios, paths, all that kind of stuff. That way I'll get to share the journey with you. It's not just about the cottage renovation, and it helped me keep on top of it, won't it? Especially if I've got everyone watching me. Didn't take too long. It's hard work, but it's rewarding work. Look, we're reinstating this ancient old pathway down into the dell. Oh, not seen that for a few years. Ah, and the sun's out. What more could you ask for? So what I've created with my whole plot is a series of interesting pathways. Just adds a bit of character to the garden. I've reused an ancient old door that was off of a property that I used to live in. It's just nice to have all these little warrens of paths leading everywhere. Well, some great progress made. I'm off for my Sunday lunch now, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.